Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use back tap for quick actions. Back tap lets you perform actions on your iPhone by simply tapping the back of the device. To set it up, firstly you need to go to your settings app, and after that scroll a bit down until you find this accessibility and select accessibility. And here you need to scroll a bit down under this physical and motor, select this touch icon. And here scroll a bit down until you find this back tap and tap onto this back tap there. And you can simply select this double tap or triple tap as per your preference. And you can tap onto this double tap. And here you can select to this action button. And that is it. Once enabled, tap the back of your iPhone the selected number of the times to perform the action instantly. And that's how to use a back tap for quick actions on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.